Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 6.1 and today I will show you how to clear credentials on this device. So start off by opening up the settings app here and then go down into, where is it? Security and location right here, and scroll down, tap on advanced, and then you will see encryption and credentials right here, and at the bottom clear credentials. Tap on it and then confirm it, tapping on OK. Now once you have some kind of lock screen, you will need to confirm it with it, and now it has been all reset. So that is how you would clear credentials. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.